3rd January 2021, Grunewald, Berlin, Germany. Just having a walk today in the forest, in the woods, and just to say that getting out in nature is probably the best way to recharge the body and have an opportunity to get back to more of a real existence, as a lot of what happened in 2020 was caused because many people are still living in a virtual existence. Many people are on the computer all day or watching mainstream media all day, and their minds are overactive. And the mind, if we're not careful, and if we don't know how to control it, it will play tricks on us, and it will eventually drive us insane if we don't do anything to stop it. And getting back out into nature and using the body, using the physical body, and giving the senses a chance to almost regenerate in a natural way. And using all your senses, as when we are on the computer, for example, or watching TV, we are only using this mental body. And since we are in a physical body, it's imperative that to learn about our world and to be balanced, we have to use all of our senses. If we only use one part, one aspect of ourselves, we become out of balance, and that's what happened in 2020. We became out of balance. We became overburdened with fear and anxiety and worry. And if people could wake up and see that living in a more natural way, living in a more balanced way, a more harmonious way with the earth, with our bodies, with each other, that this would be really the only way or the best way that we can live to ensure that we are happier and healthier. And so here is a scene from a walk in the woods this morning for people. If you cannot get out to the woods, then you can live through this video and enjoy the first snow of this year, and in general the first snow that we've had in a while here, actually, near Berlin. And you can see some sights and hear some sounds of nature, and hopefully get out to nature yourself so you can have that complete experience, mind, body, soul, and utilize all your senses to bring harmony and balance. Namaste.